Guys, nandito tayo sa Sharjah Alkan Corniche.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard.
So visit kayo dito guys, maganda dito. Especially sa hapon kung gusto niyo mag-exercise. So maganda tong place na to. It's prepared for exercise, this place. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.